Hi everyone and welcome to Imperial Wealth. My name's Nat and in this video we're going to be exploring the topic of understanding blockchain technology. Let's have a brief look at what blockchain is and how it works. So, what is blockchain technology? Simply put, it's a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way, meaning that it's publicly available information. It was originally created through the birth of Bitcoin, the first and most well-known of cryptocurrencies, but has since been adopted for many other networks and applications. The name blockchain comes from the way the technology is designed. Each transaction is recorded in a block of information which is linked to the previous block, forming a chain. This creates a permanent and unalterable record of all the transactions. But how is this secure? Well, every block contains a unique code called a hash, which is created using complex cryptography. If someone tries to change the information in one block, the hash would change and the link to the next block would be broken. This makes it virtually impossible to tamper with the information located on the blockchain. Another key feature of blockchain technology is that it is decentralized in nature. This means that there is no central authority controlling the network. Instead, transactions are verified by a network of users called nodes, who work together to ensure the integrity of the blockchain. So that's a brief overview of what blockchain is and how it works. Now let's talk about some of the different applications of blockchain technology. One of the most common uses of blockchain technology is finance. Blockchain technology can be used to securely record financial transactions, eliminate intermediaries, and reduce costs. For example, blockchain-based payment systems can process transactions faster and cheaper than traditional payment systems. Another use of blockchain technology is in supply chain management. By using a blockchain, companies can track products as they move through the supply chain, ensuring transparency and preventing fraud. This can be especially important in industries such as food and pharmaceuticals. Blockchain technology can also be used for secure voting systems. By recording votes on a blockchain, it's possible not only to ensure the accuracy, but also the security of the voting process. This could be especially useful for remote voting or for countries with unreliable election systems. And finally, blockchain technology can be used for secure storage and sharing of healthcare records. By using a blockchain, patients can have control over their own data and easily share it with healthcare providers. This can improve the quality of care and reduce healthcare costs. So that's a brief overview of what blockchain technology is and how it works. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including finance, healthcare, and even voting systems. We hope you found the information in this video valuable. If you have, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto content. And if you haven't already, check out our weekly podcast. All the links are in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.